In this video, we'll show you how to edit PDFs on your Android phone for completely free. So for this, we are going to be using this app called PDF Gear. It's completely free and it has all the necessary options you need to edit a PDF. So first of all, go to the Play Store and then download this PDF Gear app. Then open it. Once you have opened it, click on this Files option and then select the PDF that you want to open. So we'll just simply search for it and then select this PDF. It will open your PDF and then you can simply scroll through it to view it. Now to edit it, simply tap on this edit option at the top. First you will see a few annotation options. So you can simply select the annotation option you want to use and then start annotating the document. Next you can tap on this double arrow at the top and then switch to this edit mode. So this is where you can change the text of the PDF. Simply tap the area where you want to edit the text and you can simply type in anything you want. It's that easy. Similarly, you can even add and remove images. So simply go to the image tab, tap on add image and then select the image that you want to add. Now go to the edit menu again and here you will see the option to organize pages. So you can simply move the pages around so you can then even delete them. You can even rotate the pages using this option or add new pages like this. Finally, there is the option to fill a document. So if it's a PDF form that you need to fill, you can use this option. You can even sign the document using this option. Finally, there is the convert option. So simply tap this three dot icon and you will see the option to convert the PDF into different other formats. So you can select the format that you like and then hit convert simply. Once you are done with the changes, simply tap on done and your PDF will be saved. You can even save it as a new document by selecting this save as option or print it directly from your phone. So yeah, I think this app covers all the basics you need to edit a PDF and it's also completely free without any ads. So make sure to try it out. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.